Hello YouTube, today we are going to unbox the portable camera cleaning kit. This is just a kit to clean the lens of your camera. It doesn't have to be of the brand Manfotto, it can be any brand. It's just to show you what's inside the box. So we have here this thing for the air cleaner, which you can use for the lenses, just like that. Clean the lens. Yeah. Or you could also use it for cleaning your keyboard, just like this. Parts where you can difficult clean the keyboard, you can use this air thing, which is always handy to clean the keyboard. And with the box also came this pencil, which is also usable by removing the cover, and then you do like this, and then you can clean the lens. Just like that. On the other side, there's also on the other side another thing, which is this thing here. You can also use to clean the lens. Okay, so in this video you saw how we can clean the lens or a keyboard. You can support me by subscribing to this channel if you want to see more of these videos. I'm gonna put the link in the video description for this product or similar products. And I'll see you in my next video. For now, stay well, peace out.